Good evening, everyone. We are the reporter of Chapter 6 from San Mateo Campus. In this chapter, we will discuss about overview for tour guide in Thailand. Next slide po. And our learning objectives for this lesson are discuss the tour guide in Thailand, cite the guideline in the booking on tour guide, and assess the student at the end of the class. Next slide po. But before that, we will identify what is Professional English Guide Club in Thailand, or PEG for short. PEG is a non-profit organization based in Bangkok, Thailand. So the club was founded in January 2012, aims to be the center of English-speaking guides in Thailand. So the club offers training programs to enhance the knowledge and performance of professional tourist guides. These training programs follow the World Federation of Tourist Guide Associations, or WFTGA technique, ensuring that Thailand's tourist guides maintain high standards and excellent performance during tours. Next slide po. Professional English Guide Club in Thailand serves as a platform for tourist guides to exchange knowledge and improve their qualifications. The club conducts various training activities for Thai tourist guides, university students, and tourism in rural areas. And PAG also offers guiding services such as walking tours, cultural tours, culinary tours, historical tours, visits to palaces and museums, conference guides, and tours by private cars. So they also provide guide services for travelers who wish to have a tour guide during their trips in Thailand. PEG also ensures that older tourist guides are well trained, reliable, professional, and knowledgeable to provide memorable experiences for travelers visiting Thailand. Overall, the Professional English Guide Club in Thailand is a reputable organization that focuses on enhancing the skills and qualifications of tourist guides in Thailand, providing high-quality guide services for English-speaking guests, and promoting creative tourism experiences for travelers to immerse themselves in the local culture and heritage of Thailand. So that's all po. And next report to
Should you use a tour guide in Thailand? As I was researching my first trip to Thailand, it hit me that I was going to a country that I had never been to and knew virtually nothing about. And I was going alone. I say, why not use a guide, especially if you are going alone or it's not your first time in Thailand. But it still depends on your level of confidence traveling to a place with a different culture. Next slide po. To use a tour guide or not to use a tour guide. I think a good place to start your Thailand vacation is to learn some of the Thai culture and language. There is no better way than to learn it from a local Thai person. I think it depends on a person. If you love solo travel and you're confident enough to explore by your own, and I think no need to have a tour guide. Just be ready kasi possible na culture shock pa rin and hindi lahat ng local Thai person is willing na mag-adjust and mag-entertain. Next reporter po.
So next one is pabalik po sa last slide. Sa all-inclusive po. So the next one is the all-inclusive tour guide or tour. In all-inclusive tour, travelers can expect to have their accommodations, meals, and activities all taken care of. This include luxury resorts, fine dining restaurants, and a wide range of activities such as water sports, fitness, and cultural excursions. The tour operator will also handle transportation to and from the airport, as well as the local transportation needed during the trip. Additionally, many all-inclusive tours include extras, such as spa treatments, golf outings, and other perks by choosing an all-inclusive tour. Travelers can create a memorable and stress-free vacation experience that allows them to focus on relaxation and enjoyment. Next slide, please. So the next one is the freelance. A freelance tour guide is an independent professional who offers personalized tour services to individuals or groups of travelers. Unlike traditional tour operators, freelance tour guides do not work for a specific company or an organization, but instead they operate on their own, offering customized tours to clients. They often have extensive extensive travels. With an all-inclusive tour, travelers can relax and enjoy. Oh my God, Additionally, a freelance tour guide often have a deep understanding of the local culture and history and can provide unique insights and perspectives that may not be available to traditional tour operators. And overall, freelance tour guides offer a unique and personalized way to experience a destination and can be a great option for travelers looking for a more authentic and memorable experience. And then next slide po. Last one, the driver guide. So, a driver guide is a professional who provides guided tours while also supporting clients and to from various destinations, as well as providing commentary and insights about the places that they visit. Driver guides typically have extensive knowledge of a local area and can provide a personalized experience for their clients. They may
Next one is the agency tour guide or the staff guide. It works for an agency. The agency will typically set all the tours and the staff will guide the tour. This method will somewhat like the all-inclusive agency without all the help booking flights. Some will take large groups and small groups depending on the price. Next slide po. As an example, these tours can start in Bangkok, then Phuket, onto Krabi for around 3,000 per person for 10 days. There are hundreds of these kinds of tours to choose from between all the agencies on the web. This choice is rather expensive but will get a lot of bang in your buck depending on the tours you pick from 10 days up to 20 days and more. This is a lot of traveling. You will definitely be seeing and doing many things all over Thailand. Next slide po. The professional or private guide is somewhat overlooked guide. This guide is like a freelance guide, but they usually have no credential or stat the Tourism Authority of Thailand license. Maybe they are just starting out or only rarely guide for extra cash, so they don't bother with it. This doesn't mean they won't be good at the job of guiding you to a few local places they know. Like I said before, nothing better than a local to know everything about the area they live in. Number 3, be your own guide. Rent a motorbike and do some exploring in the area that you're staying. You can fly from Bangkok to Phuket in the southern Thailand for around $35 per person round trip. Then you can go to Chiang Mai, the northern Thailand, from Bangkok for around the same price as going to Phuket. Spend a week with each destination just exploring all of Thailand. While you're in a city, look for a local guide to show you up around for a day or two. Ask them where they eat and shop. Ask questions. That's the whole point of a personal guide. Once you have an idea about the area you are in, you go on your own and explore. Vacations can be structured a lot or not at all or somewhere in between. Find what makes you comfortable and go for it. Thailand has so much to offer. It would probably take months to see and do everything there in Thailand. Next reporter po.
Guiding tours in Bangkok. These information pages can help you to get started in learning about some of the laws and registration requirements that may apply to your experience in Airbnb. This page includes summaries of some of the rules that may apply to the different sorts of activities and contain links to government resources that you may find helpful. So please understand that these information pages are not comprehensive and are not legal advice. So if you are unsure about how local laws or this information may apply to you or experience, we encourage you to check with official source to seek legal advice. So here shows that in the local laws are the material relevant is an experience. So you must check with an official resource. Next slide po. So when I likely to be considered to be operating a tourism business in Thailand. So you will be considered to be conducting a tourism business under the Tourism Act if you are operating a business relevant to take a tourist travel. So here in Thailand, they consider you as a operating tourism business if you conduct a relevant business that tourists must like the most. Examples in sightseeing, it must be attractive and you must provide more facilitation and accommodation in that place. Also include both foreign national as well as local citizens who are traveling from one place to another for recreation, learning, and entertainment or other purposes. Next slide po. And here are some examples when you may be considered to be an operating tourism business. So first, you must point out some key national attraction and point of interest in Bangkok. Second, take a foraging hike through a national park. And some examples of unlikely to be considered an operating tourism business. So you must hold a yoga class in your home or a private studio. And second, you also can conduct a cooking class in Thailand, Thai cuisine for guests in also in home for in a licensed restaurant. Next reporter, please.
I'm operating a tourism business in Thailand. Do I require a license? Yes, operating a tourism business in Thailand typically requires a license. The specific type of license depends on the nature of your business activities, such as tour operations, travel agencies, or tour guide services. It's essential to check the regulations set by the Tourism Authority of Thailand or TAT to ensure compliance. And to operate a tourism business, you must need a license. You can get it once an individual for a company. For an individual license, you must be Thai national age 20 or above. For a company license, you must be Thai company with at least 51% owned by Thais. And majority of directors must be Thais. The license fee is 2,000 baht with additional 1,000 baht every 2 years. Operating without a license can lead to imprisonment of up to 2 years of fine up to 500,000 baht. Next reporter, please.
Do I need a license to offer a guided tour of a public areas? Licensed guides play an important role in the promotion of the historical, cultural, and gastronomical heritage of a land, city, or region. They are also the only external guides permitted to guide the major sites, museums, or monuments. These professions need specific academic studies and important knowledge about the territory, including history, politics, society, culture, art, and tourism, but also specific knowledge as a communication and guidance skills. Guides are also holders of a guiding license authorizing them to practice their professions. They must study during several years of university and be trained. Here is an example of when you need consider to be acting as a tour guide. I bring guests around Bangkok to visit key national attractions and points of interest, such as museums, galleries, and temples, while providing historical and other commentary about the places along the way. Here are some examples of when you are unlikely to be considered to be acting as a tour guide. I conduct a yoga class in my home or private studio for guests. I love music and football, so from time to time, I take guests to listen to local music in a public park or the stadium to watch a game. We encourage you to check with the Department of Tourism on whether your experience will require as a tour guide license. Only Thai nationals who are at least 18 years of age are eligible to become a tour guide. You will also need to obtain certificate of completion of a tour guide course before applying for a tour guide license. More information on the application process, fees, and required documents can be found here. Note that the penalty of up to 1 year imprisonment may be imposed if an individual is found to be conducting as a tour guide service without a license. Next slide, please. Is there anything else I should consider when giving tours? You are encouraged to also read our other information pages, for instance, or business licensing, and if your activity involves transport, on experiences that include transportation, to see which other licenses or regulation may be applicable to your experience. Next reporter po.
Travel with your own private Thai